Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Hello? Can we open the settings? Alright, let's open the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup data. And that was a misclick, of course, backup data. And here, as you can see, we've got only a Google server from which we can choose. Now let's simply tap on backup account and to make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So now let me enter the password out of the screen. Alright, now let's tap on next. Here your device will ask you if you want to turn on the Google contacts, so you can turn on backup on or don't turn on. Here you've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here your device is informing you that you can back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on accept simply. And again, we've got actually the same information, but through the Google one, connected with the Google one, because it is a new type of the backup. So here you can check that you can use 15 gigabytes of the account to backup and the content which I've previously told you about. Here you can see that your device will back up the data automatically when it will be connected with the Wi-Fi. We'll store it securely, so it will be locked, and you can manage the backup easily whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on, and basically, as you can see, we just successfully added the account here, which means that your device will back up the data. Can we tap on it? No. As you can see, we can just tap here and we will get back to this page. So basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.